Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time, you're welcome. My name is Simi. On this channel I get to talk about fashion, lifestyle, beauty, luxury and all things fabulous. Today's video is not going to be any different, and today's video I'm going to be focusing on items I recently purchased at a good deal or a steal or sales. So if this seems like something you're interested in, keep watching. And also do not forget to subscribe and make sure you like and comment if you enjoyed the video. So with no further ado, let's get started. So the first item I picked up recently is this gorgeous coat. If you guys have seen this coat online, yes, it is everything it is. It's all the rage. So it's the Totem embroidered scarf jacket in dark gray, and I got this in 40 Germany. It's really pretty. It's a very nice jacket. It gives your outfit a nice uplift. I totally love it, and it's certainly very warm. So this jacket, it retails for about 970 USD dollars, and it's a great buy. So I'm really pleased with this Totem jacket, and I can't wait to style it and post it on my social media platforms. So that's the first item I picked up. It's the gorgeous Totem embroidered scarf jacket. Moving right along, I picked up this sunglasses, and it's Linda Farrow. This sunglasses is nice. It's different from my typical sunglasses because it's a different color. It's almost like a white sunglasses. It is a cream ivory sunglass. So if you want to look at it, I'm going to put it on quickly. It's this gorgeous sunglasses that I picked up online. It was on sale, I think about 40% off. So I picked this up and I really love it. I can't wait to wear it over the summer. I think it's just a nice vibe. So let me know what you guys think of it. So it's this nice gorgeous sunglasses by Linda Farrow. Now moving right along, I picked up another sweater. Ideally I should have done it right next to the coat, but I wasn't able to reach for it at the time. All right, it's this gorgeous cardigan. I know you've seen it everywhere, and it's this KHAITE cardigan. I got this in Bailey, I think that's what it's called, and this is the gorgeous tag that it comes in. It's a nice hourglass sweater. It's very thick, so it would keep you warm and make you feel cozy. It retails for about $1,800, but I was able to get this for about $1,400 or $1,500. I believe I got a $300 sales off of it, so I jumped on it because it doesn't tend to go on sale. So when I saw this cardigan and it had like a $300 savings to it, and I was like, let me go for it because I've always wanted it. So here it is. It's this gorgeous KHAITE cardigan. It's called a Scarlet cardigan, and I got it in the color Bailey, and I got an extra large just for room. All right, so moving right along, I got this pair of derby shoes from I think Farfetch. It's called Church. So it's an English brand, so it's very unique. It's not something that you typically would see people rock. So I'm so glad I picked it up because the leather, the quality is just up to par. So this is what it looks like. So something I'll wear while I'm in London or anywhere really, but it's very chic and very unique in its style. It's also very comfortable, if I might say so. So I was really pleased about the quality and the comfort level that this shoe comes with. I typically like to wear loafers because they're easy to get in and out, but this also had that comfort level that I got from when I wear my Gucci loafers. So I was like, all right, let me keep it. So the shoe retails for typically about $700, but I was able to get it for about 250 USD. So I was just all over it. So anyway, so this is a nice derby shoes from the brand Church, and I am glad to have it. And then the last but not least item that I want to bring to your attention that I picked up recently is from My Teresa, which you can see in the big bogus yellow box. It's a metallic shoe actually, and it's from this brand, I think Korres. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So it's this nice pair of shoes, and yeah, this is what it looks like. It's metallic. It's with a black behind. So this is what it looks like. So the shoe tends to retail for about $700, but I was able to get it for $400 from My Teresa, and I think it's definitely worth it. And I tried it on and it was very comfortable. So yes, anyway, so that's the shoe, and those are the items I recently purchased. I wanted to keep this video under 5 minutes, so I hope I am able to do that. Anyway, so let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe and comment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to get to see you in my next video.